Welcome back to Simple-ESL. And in this English lesson, this grammar made simple lesson, we are going to look at using the past simple to talk about past actions, finished actions that happened in the past. So these are things that started and have ended before now. So often with a clear time expression like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2020. So some examples you'll hear is I worked yesterday. She visited her friend last weekend. Now, the key idea for today, we're going to use some verbs that are regular, which means they end with ed. So to work becomes worked. To visit becomes visited. But some verbs are irregular, which means the past form changes and you have to learn them. So to go becomes went. To see becomes saw. We'll be going through these, so don't worry, and we'll practice step by step with lots of examples, and you'll get more confident as we go through. So, a little bit of a practice, a warm up. Say one sentence about yesterday using the past simple. So, for example, I watched TV yesterday, or I worked yesterday. Once you've done this, let's get started with today's lesson. And we're going to look at what the past simple is. So the past simple, we use this to talk about completed actions in the past, something that started but has finished before now. You'll hear the past simple with finished time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago. These time words help us to understand that the action has finished. And the basic structure, we have subject, past verb, object, time expression. So, for example, she studied English last night. She is the subject, study is the past verb, English is the object, and last night tells us when it happened. In our upcoming slides, we'll practice more using these past verbs as well as regular and irregular verbs. So let's start by looking at our regular verbs. So a regular verb, they're very easy to use. We usually make the past simple by adding ed to the base verb. So to wash becomes washed. To dance becomes danced. To jump becomes jumped. To play becomes played. To work becomes worked. So if the verb is regular, you don't need to memorize a new word. You just add ed. So let's try using these in some sentences. Last night I watched a documentary. Here, watched is the past tense of watch, and last night tells us the action is finished. She cleaned her room before the party. Here we have cleaned as the past tense of clean, and before shows the action was completed earlier, before the party, so it shows it happened in the past. One thing to remember, the spelling can change a little depending on the verb. For example, some verbs add d and some change slightly, but the main idea is regular past simple is the base verb plus ed. So let's take a look at some of these spelling rules. If the verb ends in e, we just add d. So dance becomes danced. We don't have two e's there, just the one. So to dance becomes danced. Verbs ending in y, in a consonant, we add a y. So consonant y, we change it to ied. So if the verb is, for example, try, we take away the y, add ied. So the y becomes an I, add ed. If the vowel ends in a stressed consonant vowel consonant, so stop This is a consonant vowel consonant, and the final syllable is stressed with the stop. So usually the double letter before adding ed. So we double up the last letter. So we can see stop, we add two p's, then ed. So stop becomes stopped. These are rules that help you spell regular past verbs correctly, and they come up all the time, so it's worth learning them now. And we're going to have a look at some irregular verbs in the past simple. So far, we've seen that regular verbs usually add ed, but some verbs do not follow that rule. These are irregular verbs. The important thing to know is there isn't one clear spelling rule you can use every single time. The irregular verbs usually have to be memorized a little bit, so it may take a little bit of time. But I have some common examples here for you to start practicing. So to go becomes went. Notice here it changes completely. It doesn't have any of the original verb. Unlike have, this changes a little bit. So to have becomes had. Did. So do becomes did. See becomes saw. And eat becomes ate. So you can see here, there's no fixed rule. They have to be memorized. Go becomes went. It's completely different. Let's look at some examples. I went to the zoo last weekend. She saw a Broadway show in 2019. In both examples, the action is finished. We use the past form of the verb. A good tip is to start with the most common irregular verbs, because you will see them again and again in everyday English. And these are examples of some of the most common irregular verbs that you will come across. So practice these, learn them, and start using them in the exercises. And we also want to look at one very important irregular verb in English, and that is the verb to be. Be is irregular. And in the past simple, it changes depending on the subject. That means we don't say bead or anything like that. We would use was or were. So here's the rule. With I, he, she, or it, we use was. I was, he was, she was, it was. With you, we use were. You were, we were, they were. So it depends on who you're talking about. So for example, she was late for school. He, she, it, we use was. She was late for school. They were at the movies last night. So we use they. For they, you, or we use were. And a quick tip here. Remember that you always use were in the past, even if you're talking to one person. For example, you were tired yesterday. It's not you was tired yesterday. So in the next part, we'll practice using was and were in different sentences. And we're going to do some more exercises, and we're going to start to use what we've been learning, including the were and was rules, along with our regular and irregular verbs. So complete the sentences. On this slide, you're going to see 5 sentences. Each sentence has a time word, like yesterday, last Saturday, or last night. So we know it's past simple. What change have you got to make to the verb? We watch a great movie. This is a regular verb, so we would say watched. Add ed. She go to the supermarket. Now, is go regular or irregular? It's irregular. Went. She went to the supermarket. Not she went. She went. They play football last Saturday. This is a regular verb, so how does it change? We add ed. They played football last Saturday. I have a big lunch. So in the past, it's gone and it's irregular. So what do we say? I had a big lunch. A final example here. He studied with a Y for the exam last night. So it's a regular verb. How do we change it? It's a consonant plus Y. So we need to change the Y for an I and add ed for studied. If you got all five right, brilliant. If you missed one, don't worry. These irregular ones can take time. The spelling rules get easier with more practice as well. Now we're going to do a multiple choice. I want you to choose the correct option. So on this slide, you're going to choose the correct verb to each sentence, to complete each sentence. So carefully at the time expressions. So if you see last week or last night, these tell us that they should use the past tense. So last week last week is in the past, visited my grandparents. Let's try our next one. They did or do their homework in the morning. With the past simple of do. So it's did. She was or were. Look at the subject. What do we use? Was or were? They were. She was at the library all day. We ate or eat. Is it a regular verb? Ate. We ate pizza for dinner last night. He watched or watching. It's past simple. So what do we add? ing or ed? He watched a football match. Also, watching would need was. So if we wanted to use watching, he was watching. But we don't have that option here, so it must be watched. And it's time for a little bit of speaking practice. In this activity, I want you to be able to ask and answer questions about past experiences using past simple. So remember, when we ask questions in past simple, we usually use did plus the verb. So for example, what did you do last weekend? We could say, I visited my family last weekend and we had lunch together. Try and think of your own answer. Did you watch a movie recently? What would your answer be? You could say, yes, I watched a movie recently. I watched a comedy on Friday night. Or you could say, no, I didn't watch a movie recently. I watched a TV series instead. And how about where did you go on holiday last year? So specific time, last year. Did you go on holiday? Maybe not. I went to Spain on holiday last year and I stayed near the beach. We actually did. We stayed near Malaga. It was lovely, so hot, lovely holiday. But now it's your turn. Pause the video and after each question, speak your answer, then press play to keep watching on. And we have a little bit of a summary to go through what we have learnt today. So today we've used the past simple and we've used it for completed actions in the past. We use regular verbs and we learned how to change the endings, adding ed and the spelling rules. But we've learned that irregular verbs have different forms. And the verb be changes to was and were. And we got to grips with time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago. And these are all common with the past simple.